So my grandparents are out on the vacation, and then they paid my neighbor, our neighbor, to watch me. So what I decided to do is, I'm quiet because he's sleeping like right on the chair right now. Anyway, I'm gonna prank him by blowing an air horn at him. Make sure he doesn't go crazy. Hell? Ah! God! What? I'm gonna kick your ass! What do you think you're doing? Are you kidding me? I'm gonna kick your ass! What am I going? Okay, oh! Oh my god! Oh! Wait, no! Why would you think this is funny, huh? Oh! Back! Oh! Oh god, this camera. Yeah, you're very funny, huh? Ow! Freaking! Ow! 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 I gotta shove that camera up your ass. No, that's what you get. Ah! Damn, man. That's what you get.